welcome once again to another new video. This is Santu Sahu and you are watching Sahu's tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be covering another 50 important MCQ questions along with explanation, and this is the part 2. In the previous part 1 I have already discussed 50 important MCQ questions along with explanation, and in this tutorial I will be covering another 50 important MCQ questions on English literature along with explanation for the upcoming Gauhati University PGET 2023 exam. So this is a kind of mock test series for the upcoming Gauhati University PGET 2023 English literature exam. So let's begin the session here, and here is the first question on your screen. The term poor theatre was coined by Grotesque, Samuel Beckett, Karl Marx, Bertolt Brecht. So the poor theatre was coined by Grotesque. Jerry Grotesque had coined the term poor theatre. Moving on to question number 2. Joyce's novel Ulysses takes place over what period of time? James Joyce's the magnum opus novel Ulysses, where Leopold Bloom is the main protagonist and his wife is Molly Bloom. So Ulysses takes place over what period of time? A week, 24 hours, a lifetime, 6 months. So Ulysses takes place over 24 hours, that is 1 day. So, and here is the explanation. Who is an advertising salesman? Joyce's Ulysses, Leopold Bloom is a middle-aged advertising salesman whose wanderings are not across the world during many years but around Dublin over the course of 1 day, that is 16 June 1904. Next question. Plato did not want poets in his republic because he believed poets were anarchic by the temperament. He found poetry a corrupting influence on youth. He thought that poetry an unpopular genre, or he found that poets were flatterers of rulers. So Plato did not want poets in his republic. It is because that he found that poetry a corrupting influence on youth. So B is the right answer. Banished from the ideal state. Banished the poets from the ideal state. Bapsi Sidhwa's novel Cracking India was originally published as Ice Candyman, The Crow Eaters, Water, and American Brat. So Bapsi Sidhwa's Cracking India was originally published as Ice Candyman. Here A is the answer. Ice Candyman, Sidhwa Bapsi, Cracking India novel originally published as Ice Candyman. So this is Ice Candyman, originally published as Ice Candyman by Bapsi Sidhwa. What was the pen name of Samuel Clemens, Joyce Carroll, Mark Twain, Thomas Hardy, Eric Blaine? So it is Mark Twain. The pen name of Samuel Clemens is Mark Twain. Mark Twain is the right answer. This Shakespearean play has a character called Prospero, Othello, Tempest, Merchant of Venice, King Lear. So it is Tempest, the last work by Shakespeare, and it is the swan song. Tempest. In Tempest we find the character Prospero, who coined the phrase lost generation. It's Scott Fitzgerald, Hemingway, Sherwood Anderson, Gertrude Stein. So who coined the phrase lost generation? It was Gertrude Stein. Gertrude Stein has coined the phrase lost generation. That is the right answer. Gauhati Chakraborty Spivak translated of Grammatology. Gauhati Chakraborty Spivak had translated of Grammatology into English. Who wrote it? Derrida, Noam Chomsky, Sigmund Freud, Saussure. So it was Derrida. Derrida has written Grammatology of Grammatology. It was translated into English by Gauhati Chakraborty Spivak. So one is the right answer. In Memoriam is an elegiac poem. It's an elegiac poem on the death of Arthur Henry Hallam. Arthur Henry Hallam. So was published in 1855, 1850, 1854, 1864. So it is published in 1850. In Memoriam was published in 1850 by Tennyson. And here you see it was on the death of his friend Arthur Henry Hallam. The first novel of Indian English literature is Rajamohan's wife, Satyameva Jayate, Kantapura, Kuli. So it is his first novel of Indian English literature is Rajamohan's wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. So Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyy has written the first novel of Indian English literature, Rajamohan's wife. Thing of Beauty is Joy Forever occurs in Ode on Aggression on Endymion, Ode to Autumn, Ode to Melancholy. A Thing of Beauty, this is the opening line. This is the opening line of the poem Endymion. Endymion, that was written by John Keats, in 1818. This is the opening line of the poem Endymion, that is A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever. Endymion is a poem by John Keats, first published in 1818. It begins with the line, A thing of beauty is joy forever. This book begins with man's first disobedience, Internet, Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained, and the Wasteland. So the book that is beginning with these lines of man's first disobedience is actually Paradise Lost, published in 1667 with 10 books, and 1674 with 12 books आया था, ठीक है. 1667 the first edition came with 12 books, and 1674 में 12 books आया था, 10 books and 12 books. So it is the Paradise Lost beginning with the line of man's first disobedience. The dramatic term analysis means recognition. It means recognition. So recognition means discovery actually. So discovery, resolution, climax, complication. So analysis signifies what? Discovery. Discovery or recognition. Okay, peripecia means reversal of fortune from good fortune to bad fortune. Okay, who wrote the famous work Orientalism? That was a main work of Oriental post-structuralism. Okay, Michel Foucault, Edward Said, Bhumi ke Bhav. So here Edward Said has written Orientalism. Orientalism was written by Edward Said. The language of age is never the language of poetry. Okay, the language of age is never the language of poetry. Who said this? Okay, Thomas Gray, James Thomson, Philip Sidney, Alexander Pope. So it is Thomas Gray. Thomas Gray, okay, is writing this letter, writing letter to West. He is writing this letter, okay, to West, and where he is saying that that the language of the age is never the language of poetry. So here Gray is the right answer. The following did not write personal essays. Who is he? Bacon, Lamb, Addison, Steele. Steele ने लिखा है, Addison भी लिखा है, Lamb भी तो लिखा है, लेकिन Bacon नहीं लिखा है. Bacon did not wrote any personal essays. So Bacon's last edition came in 1625. Okay, 1625 पे आया था. Last edition, the third edition came in. Third edition came in 1625 पे आया था. ठीक है. Which among the following novels is not okay by D.H. Lawrence? Sons and Lovers by D.H. Lawrence, Dubliners, The Rainbow, Editor's Lovers. All three novels by D.H. Lawrence, whereas Dubliners is written by James Joyce. Okay, it is written by James Joyce. Okay, James Joyce has written okay Dubliners. So here B is not by D.H. Lawrence. Dubliners by James Joyce actually. Which of the following forms of poetry appropriately describes Paul? Paul is actually Paul, purity and patience. Okay. They are in Paul, purity and patience. Okay, this is the alternative poem. Heroic poem, alternative verse, elegy, romance. So it is an alternative verse. Okay, the following forms of poetry appropriately describes Paul, Sargavan and the Green Knight, Paul, purity and patience. These are actually alternative verse. Okay, alternative verse. So Matthew Arnold criticized Chaucer's the poetry in his study of poetry. Okay, in his study of poetry. Okay, yeah, Matthew Arnold criticized Chaucer's poetry for lacking what? Classical learning, moral purpose, high seriousness, aesthetic skill. Okay. Chaucer lacked high seriousness. That's why okay, Matthew Arnold is criticizing Chaucer's. Okay, so here this one here, high seriousness is the right answer. Which character in Edmund Spenser's Fairy Queen is considered to represent Elizabeth the First? Okay, here Gloriana, Una, Britomart, Florimel. Britomart is virgin. Britomart who is representing chastity. Una representing truth. Okay, Una representing truth. Whereas Duessa is representing deceptive, or Duessa is representing deceit or deceit. Okay, DECIT. So deceit. Okay, and whereas you see or deceptive or deceptive. Okay, or deceptive. Duessa. Okay, Una representing truth. Virgin Britomart is representing chastity. Duessa representing deceit. Whereas Gloriana is so here Gloriana is representing Elizabeth I. So here Gloriana is the right answer. Okay, Sargavan is representing temperance, whereas Red Cross Knight is representing holiness. Okay, there are characters Red Cross Knight who is representing holiness, whereas Sir Gawain is representing temperance. Okay, Sir Gawain is representing temperance. Chalo, next question. The Myth of Sisyphus was written by Albert Camus, Martin Esslin, John Keats, Martin Heidegger. So the Myth of Sisyphus was written by Albert Camus. Albert Camus ने लिखा था Myth of Sisyphus. Next question. Who wrote Pickwick Papers? Thomas Hardy, French, Kafka, Charles Dickens, Henry James. The Pickwick Papers were written by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens has written Pickwick Papers. Martin Esslin introduced the concept of Hellenism, effect, theatre of the asset, affective fellowship, authoritative. So here affective fellowship was coined by John Ruskin in Modern Painters. Okay, in Modern Painters. Okay, Modern Painters में affective fellowship coin किया था. Who coin किया था? John Ruskin ने coin किया था. Here Martin Esslin introduced the concept of a theatre of the abstract. So Martin Esslin, so here 2 is the right answer. Martin Esslin had created the concept of theatre of the abstract. What is baroque? Baroque is defined as an ornate and exaggerated style of painting or writing, a witty and ingenious method of argument, a form of satiric literature, a pedantic manner of discourse. So baroque is actually defined as okay an ornate and exaggerated style of painting or writing. Okay, baroque is defined as an exaggerated style of painting or writing. So here A is the right answer. Goblin Market is one of the famous work of children literature. One of the famous works of children literature was written by Stephen Spender, Catherine Crane, Krishna Rossetti. It's a pound. So Krishna Rossetti, okay. Krishna Rossetti has written Goblin Market, okay. For Laura and Lizzie, the characters, okay, appears in Laura and Lizzie appears in Goblin Market, which is one of the finest work of children literature, okay. And it was written by Krishna Rossetti, okay. So Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot is written by it was written in 1734 and but published in 1735 में published हुआ था, ठीक है. इससे Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot is written by Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, R.P. Sidhwa, then John Dryden. So it was in Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope has written, okay, Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot, which was written in composed in 1734 and it was published in 1735. And here is the explanation. You see that, okay, Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot is a satire in poetic form written by Alexander Pope and addressed to his friend John Arbuthnot, who was a physician. It is first published in 1735 and composed in 1734. When Pope learned that, okay, Arbuthnot was dying, Pope described it as a memorial of their friendship. It has been called Pope's most directly autobiographical work. So this is a Pope's most directly autobiographical work, in which he defends his practice in the genre of satire and attacks those who had been his opponents and rivals throughout his career. So that's the writers of the Graph Street, okay, attacking the writers of the Graph Streets also. Whom did John Keats, okay, regard as the prime example of negative capability. Negative capability was coined by John Keats, and here John Milton, William Shakespeare, William Wordsworth. So William Shakespeare was the prime example of the negative capability. So here 3 is the right answer. Next question, sir. Who among the following is credited with the making of the first authoritative dictionary of the English language? And in 1755, okay. Bishop Berkeley, Horace Walpole, Edmund Burke, Samuel Johnson. So it is Samuel Johnson. Who among the following is credited with the making of the first authoritative dictionary of the English language? It is the Samuel Johnson. So it is Samuel Johnson, okay, in 1755. So Samuel Johnson is the right answer. Next question, and the following correct chronological sequence. The King James or Authorized Version of Bible 1611 पे आया था, Norman Conquest 1066 पे आया था, David Chaucer 1400 पे आया था, Father Williams 1464 पे आया था. Now who comes first? Norman Conquest comes first. Here B comes first. B, this one, B, okay, B, then Y, okay. 1066 then comes, okay, that is Death of the Geoffrey Chaucer, BC, okay, then BC, goes on BC, then okay, then this one, so it is B, then this one, then D, BCD, okay, BCDA, okay, last one actually A, that is BCDA, that is 1611 पे. चलो, here 3 is the right answer. जो भी है, King James Authorized Version of Bible came in 1611, whereas Norman Conquest happened in took place in 1066, Death of Chaucer in 1400, birth of Shakespeare 1564. चलो, next question. Among the following writers did not belong to the Bloomsbury Group. E.M. Forster belongs to the E.M. Forster. D. Lawrence, Virginia Woolf belongs to Leighton Strategy, belongs to Leonard Woolf, Virginia Woolf. They are all part of Bloomsbury Group, whereas D. Lawrence wasn't part of okay, Bloomsbury Group. So here B is the right answer. The Bloomsbury Group, or Bloomsbury set, was a group of accepted English writers, intellectuals, philosophers, and artists in the first half of the 20th century, including Virginia Woolf, John Maynard Keynes, E.M. Forster, Leighton Strategy. Next question. What is Aristotle's main reason? What was Aristotle's main reason for justifying the importance of mimesis? Okay. Here Aristotle is actually justifying, defending, okay, the importance of mimesis. Okay. It is natural to man. It is essential for poetry. It produces pleasure. It helps in the process of learning. So Aristotle actually saying that, okay, mimesis is actually natural to man. It is natural to man. Okay. It's natural to man. That's how he is defending. Okay. Justifying the importance of mimesis. That's imitations. Okay. Next question. In the asterisk comments, okay, who is named after a noted character in Chaucer's Nantucket Tales, okay, okay, the village blacksmith, the village rooster and chanticleer's, one of the pirates, the Loch Ness monster. So in asterisk comics, who is named after a noted character in Chaucer's Nantucket Tales? It is the village rooster, okay, chanticleer's, okay, related to the chanticleer's. Next question. Which post-structuralist thinker is associated with the concepts of simulacra? Michel Foucault नहीं है, Roland Barthes नहीं है, Jean Baudelaire and Gilles Deleuze. So it is Jean Baudelaire. Jean Baudelaire is associated with the concepts of simulacra of Jean Baudelaire. Next question, question 34 is on your screen. Salman Rushdie won the Booker Prize for 1993. In 1993, for which work? We must Satanic Verses, Midnight Children, Settlement of the Town. So it is Midnight Children. Salim Sinai, okay, Midnight Children. Salim Sinai, okay. Salman Rushdie, okay, won the Booker Prize in 1993 for Midnight Children. And today's last question is on your screen here. Who among the following was not a practitioner of Neocriticism? I. Richards, John Claude and Alan Kent, okay, they are part of, okay, Neocriticism that came in the 1941 by and the movement got the name of the work, that is New Criticism, published in 1941 by written by John Keats. The name of the work is New Criticism itself, and the movement got its name by the publication of 1941. So here Alan Tate, John Keats and Myers, they are part of New Criticism, whereas M.H. Abrams was not part of. Okay, M.H. Abrams was not part of New Criticism. Here 4 is the right answer. So these were 35 questions that I have discussed along with explanations, okay, in a hurry. So thank you once again for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to get more notification and to stay updated. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to get more notifications, and don't forget to hit the like button as well and send to your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.